Hi, you'll have noticed a slight change in approach to the videos, so I'm afraid there's no B-roll or Steve. We're getting straight to the end result you're going to learn how to make. Okay, so the first thing you need is some drums. I'm using Damage, then an Ethnic Beat 2, now I'm going to add saturation and compression with the punish knob. Next we need a BRAAM. I showed you how to make one of these the other week. I'll link to that video in the description if you missed it. Now for some brass stabs, over 3 octaves. Keep the top note pulsing. Now put some string staccato on the beats. Add some explosions. And some random metal hits, just because they're cool. Now, finish with a sprinkling of reverb, compression and width. Job done. Like and subscribe if you've got the time. See you in the next one.